Alright, Jefferson the fourth. Good luck, buddy. Good luck, Jefferson. Don't touch his piss. Put him in the water.
You're one ugly fuck.
That is an evil-looking rat.
Uh-oh.
The stare down.
Wow, wow, wow.
Does he even see it?
I don't think so. Maybe he's like,
Put it in the water.
Oh.
Run, rats!
I gotta get out of the way.
Don't step on the rat.
Ow, he's got my foot!
Chuck, you asshole. Someone kick him.
Get it off! Ah! Here goes the rat, he's getting away!
Someone get the, quick, get the
Oh,
golf club.
oh, get the golf club!
where's the golf club?
No, it's not there.
Oh, okay. Oh, he's good,
Oh,
he's
you let
good.
go, you let go. Wow, look what he did to your shoe.
Alright, go get the rat.
He's all peely and gross.
Because he's shedding. That means he's getting bigger.
Yay.
Rat's over there somewhere.
Turn him around.
Yeah, you
It's a
try and
very
turn him around.
uneventful blizzard today.
Yeah.
Close the gate, your breath we can get.
Alright. It's hiding in its den.
Use the stick to draw him out.